started in 2002 with our first store, and now we're up to 13 stores. We're really focusing primarily on southwestern U.S. So right now we're in Utah, Nevada, Arizona, Colorado, and we think that'll be our focus for the foreseeable future. I've been in the natural foods business a long time, 20 plus years. I started Wild Foods and that for a while. You know, one concept that had always interested me was to sell natural foods, but it was available to more than just a couple percent of the population. We're probably a little less dogmatic than some of our competitor business. You know, we take a bit of a different approach to our retailing. To us, the farmers market means, you know, big displays. As you can see, the produce department is probably about a third of our store and about a third of sales, which is much more than a typical grocery store. So, you know, we're 30–40% below our conventional competitors every day on produce. So that's the draw. Good thing about produce is you got to buy it 2 or 3 times a week, so get them in more frequently, and then hope to sell them or, you know, promote some of our other products. You know, you can shop natural and it'll be just as cheaper or cheaper than you're going to pay at a conventional store. This was our first so-called green store. Very proud of the look of it. You know, it looks a bit like a barn, kind of open, a lot of skylights. The lighting here programmed to turn itself down as more light comes through the skylights. We've got reserved parking spaces out front for some of the alternative fuel vehicles. The bathrooms are, you know, waterless urinals and the like. I think it's worth the investment as much as we can to invest in these green buildings. You know, I think it goes with the ethos of the whole natural foods industry, and our customers expect it.
It's 8 ounces.
We've always had an interesting kind of give and take with the folks at Whole Foods. In the early days, you know, we would send each other our financials and talk about sites and talk about the industry and hang out for social. Just last year, Whole Foods got serious about it and ended up buying Wild Oats, which I actually, from my perspective, I thought was a good thing. You know, they've become the gourmet grocer, the high-end natural foods grocer. I think there's a lot of people that don't want to pay that kind of price. Hopefully we offer an alternative for those kind of people. I think we have a format that works. Last week, we raised $30 million in venture financing to fund our growth. So next 2 years, we're going to double the size of the company. And, you know, I can see us easily being a $500 million company within 5 years.